Hello, everyone. The video shows how to create multiple Shopee accounts with YiLu Proxy and Lalicat.
Firstly, configure YiLu Proxy settings as shown video.
Then forward proxy IPS. Right-click an IP and select a port. Then create multiple virtual browsers in Lalicat antidetect browser. Fill in name. Select an operating system, browser version, and user agent.
Then select SOCKS5 or HTTP proxy. Enter host IP 127.0.0.1 and port 5500.
Then check proxy. The IP is consistent with the IP in port 5500. Then save. Create a new browser profile again. Port 5501. Then run them. Enter Shopee website. Select a location. Click Sign Up. Here we can use phone number, Facebook, and Google account to sign up. Here I use Google account. Click Google. Then sign in. Now the account is created. Next, create the second account by using the same steps. Now the second account is also created. You can manage the two accounts at the same time. If you need more Shopee account, create more virtual browsers in Lalicat and connect different proxy IPS from YiLu Proxy. Okay, the video is over. Thank you for watching and subscribing.